What if your patients could receive hospital-quality nursing care in the comfort of their own homes? Hello, I'm Gerrie Skeepers from Caressa Nursing Care Services, and for 20 years we've been delivering professional home nursing services across the country. Since 2006, we've grown to become one of Gauteng's largest home nursing companies, providing comprehensive nursing care for patients with diverse medical needs. From post-operative care and wound management to chronic disease support and rehabilitation nursing, we bring professional healthcare directly to your patients' homes. As founding members of HUCASA, the Home Nursing Association of South Africa, and active members of CAMASA, the Case Managers Association of South Africa, we set the standards for professional home nursing in South Africa. Leading physicians and specialists across the country trust us with their patients and continued care for their patients at home. We work closely with medical teams from Netcare Pretoria East Hospital and Milpark Hospital in Johannesburg, Life Healthcare Flora and Wilgers Hospital in Pretoria, Netcare Milpark in Sunninghill, Nurture Health Midstream and Clayton Rehabilitation Facilities, and many other premier medical facilities. These ongoing partnerships reflect our commitment in maintaining the clinical standards you expect for your patients. To demonstrate our clinical capabilities, we currently manage 140 patients on a daily basis, of which 25 are home ventilator dependent, one of the most complex forms of home nursing. These specialized expertise showcase our ability to handle any level of home nursing care your patients may need, whether it's post-surgery recovery, chronic wound care, medication management, or complex medical equipment. Our nursing teams have the skills and expertise to deliver. Your patients benefit from professional nursing care in familiar surroundings, personalized attention and care plans, reduced risk of readmission, and improved recovery outcomes. We can have nursing care established within 24 hours after your referral, covering the Greater Gauteng area, Bloemfontein and Durban surrounding areas. We handle all medical aid authorizations for you and work seamlessly with Discovery and Momentum Health, GEMS, Bestmed and other medical schemes. When your patients require professional home nursing care, we're ready to be your trusted partner. One call connects you to 20 years of nursing excellence and a team committed to continue the quality care you've established in hospital. Let us extend your professional care into the house of your patient.